So it's a mix, right? You have set partners that have been there with you for years, and that partnership keeps on growing year on year, because our strength keeps on growing year on year, and in terms of the needs of the industry keep on varying. So
Yes.
and also the needs of the students keep on varying. So we have a very strong corporate connect team, which is based out of the institution, and what they do through the year is engage with our industry partners in getting them onto the campus, like I said, for master classes, engagements, one-on-ones, conversations. So there are two things that it serves. One, the industry understands the quality of our students, what they have. They are able to pick somebody they want. Like, for example, if I go somewhere and I see somebody really good, I kind of keep them in my mind that, if there's a position vacant, I'm going to pull that person into my company.
Right.
So this allows the senior leaders, when they come, they see it. And what we do is we have a buddy program or a mentoring program. So at every different event, each of these students gets a chance to buddy up or be an ambassador to one of these senior leaders. So
Okay.
whenever a senior leader needs something, they reach out to the student. We actually have seven different committees that we form in the institute. So when the students come in, each of them is given a mindset that you're a student manager. So you need to kind of work towards being a leader in the long run. So you have to take on various responsibilities. So we have a committee for placements, which is a corporate connect committee. We've got for internal events. We've got one for external events. We've got one for social media. We've got one for property upkeep. So that gives you ownership, right? You need to take ownership of the property branding. Then you've got one for safety and security. So that students are completely involved in everything that happens. What it does, it drives a sense of both ownership and accountability in the student. And ownership, accountability, and integrity are three elements that if anybody has, and you combine that with the people first attitude, you're sure shot going to kind of have a great chance to succeed in the industry. So that kind of forms the cornerstone. And like I said earlier, believe in yourself is our motto, is our mindset. That gives the positivity to every student. So you put these five together, and it can be the Coca-Cola formula to success, right? Means it's that secret sauce, as people say.
Yes.
So yeah, so that's the thought process. And during the internship, they get a lot of opportunity to engage, work, understand, and gives them a great platform to get pre-placement offers. Along with the internship that's happening, they have got a complete plan in terms of classes and academics, where they need to report back, they need to come, they need to have the mentoring engagements, so that there are academics going around. So but what we do is the academics are revolving around the internship that you're doing. So it's based on the specialization that you're going for. So we work with you on that. Your projects are based on that. So what it helps is when you're finishing and you're graduating, you've actually picked up loads of experience for the specialization that you've taken. It's kind of a win-win for both the industry and for us. For us, because it gives us students great exposure. Two, it starts allowing them to learn and earn. And three, they get to know what's happening in the corporate world. Because otherwise, when you hit them straight off, when you enter the world, you are kind of sometimes disillusioned, and you may end up giving up everything that you've learned, or you may break down, or you may go and succeed. But there's a lot of ifs that are there then. But if you know this from prior, you're better prepared to handle it. And I've always believed, preparation is 80% of execution. So if you're well prepared, your execution is much easier.